hey, to turn on low blood oxygen level alert on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, all you have to do is just to grab your watch, swipe up, then you will have to scroll down, go into the SpO2, now scroll down, go into the settings, and now enable all day tracking, go into the low SpO2 alerts, and select 90, 85 or 80. In my case, I can recommend you to go for the 90. And now, if you actually receive the notification that the oxygen level in your blood is too low, you should definitely check it for the second time by using, for example, this kind of a device. That's actually the pulse oximeter. You know, if your blood oxygen level is still low, you should definitely contact to your doctor, or simply let someone know, like from your close family or friends, that something is going wrong. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.